Welcome back to Shib Kai, everyone. Here's why you should own 2 million Shiba Inu tokens. News from Shib. The Shib army was taken aback by the Shiba Inu development team's joyous countdown. The enigmatic countdown, adorned with a Shiba peering through a window, is now shown on the official shibaswap page. As the Shib army on Twitter anxiously awaits the significant information, the countdown has less than 5 hours left. Additionally, now is the ideal time for you to make a Shiba Inu investment. Those who own 2 million will soon become billionaires. How? Continue to observe. We'll discuss the benefits of owning 2 million Shiba Inu tokens in this video. And this is the reason. News from Shib. Please remember to give us a thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel in order to view our most recent information on expert analysis and pricing projections for Shiba Inu. Let's get the video started right now. For the most impatient Shib community members, the wait may be over because Sharium will probably be the subject of the update. Crypto fans and Crypto Nutty claim that Sharium is prepared for the release of its beta version. To run Shib, the metaverse, the Coin's Web3 project, the Layer 2 update is required. Furthermore, on the recently created network, gas fees will be paid using shibaswap, the other altcoin in the Shiba Inu ecosystem. With multiple concurrently trending hashtags like #ShibArmy, #Bone, and #Sharium, the Shiba Army took over crypto Twitter immediately following the countdown announcement. Furthermore, Shib became one of the most watched cryptocurrency assets on Binance, the biggest cryptocurrency exchange globally, demonstrating the popularity of the meme coin with a Japanese guard dog concept. According to the data, Shib trailed behind the most popular cryptocurrency assets, Ethereum, ETH, and Bitcoin, BTC. The biggest ETH whales have already shown a preference for the 2-year-old meme money. On the other hand, recent patterns indicate a notable rise in Binance Smart Chain, BSC, whales. Consequently, despite a particularly severe crypto winter, the overall number of wallets is steadily growing. According to CoinGecko, Shib was trading at 0.868 on December 19th, a 2.1% rise over the previous day. The meme cryptocurrency remains well below the 0.00000001 critical resistance line that held it steady for the majority of the year. Among the few top 100 cryptocurrencies in the green, the price of Shiba Inu has increased 1.5% in the last day. As Bitcoin and Ethereum struggle to maintain important support zones, investors have recently turned their focus back to the worldwide meme market. Shortly after an inexplicable countdown was released on the project's Twitter account, the price decrease of Shiba that had been occurring for a few weeks started to slow down. Users were prompted to allow the domain name service to properly propagate prior to the countdown. The introduction of new tokens, Leash and Bone, may help the Shiba Inu community's hopes that the price of Shiba Inu will rise to $1. According to reports, the Shiba Incubator is also promoting a potentially novel reward system as part of the enigmatic countdown. Shiba's price has recovered from support at 0.00008 and is poised to erase another zero. The second largest cryptocurrency trades at 0.871 after printing 3 green candles in a row. Above the token's immediate resistance level of 0.009, a break is necessary. With the support of the 50-day exponential moving average, such a move might be powerful enough to bring the Shiba price to the resistance level at 0.946. It's important to note that Shib is also getting closer to a breakout with a falling wedge formation. In order to eliminate the seller congestion at 0.009, the bull's activity is currently the main emphasis. When Shiba Inu breaks and stays above the top trend line of the wedge pattern, traders who want to trigger their long positions could think about doing so. Shiba may see a price increase of 66.4% and hit its target of 0.16 if it can break out of its present pattern. A potential reversion to a bullish trend is indicated by the existence of a falling wedge pattern. The 66.4% goal in this instance suggests that this breakout frequently results in a precise and noteworthy movement in price. By calculating the distance between the wedge's highest points past the breakout point, this goal is determined. Traders following the uptrend need to pay close attention to how the price of Shiba Inu responds to important levels, particularly those indicated by the 50, 100, and 200-day EMAs. The presence or lack of bullish momentum may be indicated by movement above any of these averages. Given that the stochastic oscillator is about to cross above the midline, it can be concluded that SHIB is in the hands of the bulls. More sideline buyers may enter the market if there is further movement into the overbought area, which would support Shiba Inu's price for a long-term rebound to 0.16. The quantity of Shiba Inu coins owned outside of exchanges is still rising, despite the present market instability. Sentiment estimates that there are roughly 866,245,809.9. This pattern can suggest that people desire to hang on to the token for a longer amount of time because they think it will rise in value in the future. Stated differently, the increasing quantity of SHIB tokens kept outside of exchanges may be interpreted as an indicator of the asset's potential future value. As Shiba Inu enters the multi-billion-dollar payment sector, it achieves a new milestone. According to Guarda, a leading non-custodial cryptocurrency wallet platform, SHIB payments are currently accepted at more than 60 million retailers globally. Guarda's incorporation of the meme currency into its prepaid Visa card product is responsible for this accomplishment. Along with announcing the addition of new tokens, the platform now supports over 20 different cryptocurrencies. BUSD, DI, Doji, AAVE, and ATOM are some of the other recent arrivals. The goal of the integrations is to make it simple for Guarda Wallet customers to load up their Guarda prepaid Visa cards so they can purchase over the holidays. The card service was introduced by the site in August of this year. It claimed at the time that 25 additional EU nations could access the program. Both virtual and actual card alternatives are available. Additionally, the cards will function anywhere Visa cards are accepted and can be linked to other payment methods like Apple Pay. With great pleasure, Guarda Wallet announces the launch of its own Visa prepaid card. You can use this card anywhere Visa is accepted, which means you can use it for online shopping, in-store purchases, and much more, the business stated. SHIB support has been announced by other payment solutions besides Guarda. Additionally, FCF Pay launched additional support for the meme coin last month. SHIB holders can now use SHIB to pay for airline tickets on American Air and Air Canada, the business revealed. Hundreds of online retailers, such as Netflix and Amazon, already accepted FCF Pay's crypto-enabled prepaid Visa cards. Though limited to the US and Canada, FCF Pay cards can be linked to Apple and Google Pay in a manner similar to Guarda's integration. The token may become more useful and stop being a meme coin as a result of the adoption SHIB is witnessing in the payments sector. In consequence, this might push SHIB's price higher. SHIB was up 3.08% over the previous day, trading at about 0.88 at the time of writing. Compared to its previous all-time high price of 0.875, which was reached in October 2021, this is a roughly 90% decline. In the meanwhile, SHIB is being adopted for purposes other than money. A metaverse platform and a Layer 2 scaling solution are among the projects that are eagerly awaited in the Shiba ecosystem. That concludes today. To view our most recent content, remember to give it a huge thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to the channel. If you would like any other changes, please let me know.